going to ask our chairman of the board. I gave him a little heads up that I was going to ask him some questions, but let's see, because I'm telling you, this guy leads the way when we talk about technology. So, George,
talk to me.
I want to know, give us your best, at least 3 tips for doing virtual live streaming open houses.
Okay, three tips. Number 1, get in the camera, get in the frame. I think that people want to see the realtor. So if you can get the bottom corner and show your face, I think it would be awesome. And as you tour the property, I think you should have a story. I think you should be able to tell the story of the property as you walk it. Think that you're a Channel 7 news reporter and you're making a report on the house. You know, take me with you. And I think this, Deborah, I think if you can live stream, if you can talk your way through the house, if you can give your audience a tour, you know, I think you're gonna be a more vital, you know, realtor moving forward. You know, I said this earlier in another web presentation. I think us realtors, we're gonna be more vital than ever, especially those that embrace this new technology. And no doubt, post-COVID, we're gonna have to practice differently. And I think those that get behind the camera, that learn how to work the camera, that can showcase properties, especially to their audience, I think they're gonna have a huge advantage moving forward.
Well done.